All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no. It don't happen, it don't shell. Yes, so for this channel, we they bring the true story where they happen. Well, this one they come more true Sahara reporters onto this one. Many things have been said. Okay, with the news where they reach also, it don't let us understand. Say 29,000 Yoruba people. Say them be the people wey be say them buy okay Asiri and all these 29,000 people so far now under the regime of the before president wey they call the Buhari. Okay, and then onto this one, the Yoruba Nation Youth Movement, they don't come outside to analyze waiting the sup onto the next level. Still on the matter, my people, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly waiting the people they talk about, exactly waiting a bit. Okay, onto this one, according to Sahara reporters, he said the group lamented the inability of the Nigerian government to curtail violent herders, particularly in Yoruba land, saying it had hampered the growth of the agricultural sector of the country. Onto this one, a youth movement of indigenous people of southwest Nigeria, known as the Yoruba Nation Youth, don't claim that about 29,000 Yoruba people now in the bio under the ATS of the former president, whether they call before president Muhammadu Buhari's administration. Onto this one, the group don't make this known on Wednesday during a global conference attended by prominent Yoruba people living in Nigeria and then in the diaspora. Okay, onto this one, the group lamented the inability of the Nigerian government to stop this wahala, this violence where this elders where then they cause, particularly in Yoruba land, saying it had hampered the growth of the agricultural sector of the country. Now the group can say, okay, according to an official estimation, as many as 29,000 Yoruba people now be say they don't buy you under this regime, and meanwhile onto this one, they don't talk as under the regime of the before president Buhari. Now him all these 29,000 Yoruba people will buy under the regime. Now, according to waiting the country tell us, is most farmers now abandon all their farmland altogether, and the traditional Yoruba agricultural economy will be say they don't leave everything because of waiting the Fulani people they do. Okay, now waiting the people come they talk about now be say when the former president Buhari they there, the people then they lament, then they cry, say this man where they there now he make it all this Fulani get power, we be say they come they attack us for our land. But now we be say our Yoruba president come they there, the thing can't be like say now still the all former president where they there now he consider dead. So now the people don't come outside come they shout, say even this present government itself, the Fulani people don't tell them, say as it be so nobody go fit to stop them for waiting then they do. And they don't first come out, this Fulani people don't first come out, don't talk, say like this. So if anybody come outside believe we say him go fit stop them, say then go let the people know, say now them get the country. And they don't come outside say like this. So anybody will try them, say he won't stop them, say they go make sure, say in fact if they can't arrest any of them, okay, according to waiting this Fulani people talk, say if they even arrest any of them, say they go make sure, say they bring down the whole Obodo Naija, meaning they go bring down the whole country. My brother, my sister, waiting we don't enter like this. And many people don't they talk, say like this. So everybody need to wake up. Yes, so everybody need to wake up onto this one, because these people whether they call the Fulani people, they know they joke again. And right now everybody come they say our leaders now them cause all these things. All right, so and then now the Fulani people don't come outside, they talk say like this. So if the government of Nigeria try say they wan arrest any of them, say they can't even go venture say they arrest one Fulani man, meaning dem go bring down the whole country. My brother, my sister, no be small something. And then now everybody don't come outside, they talk say like this, so we need to wake up. According to this man, whether they call him Prince, he say that is why we need the Yoruba nation. One Nigeria can never work you. Okay, and then according to him, he said that the foundation was faulty, nothing can be built on it that can stand. Let some fools who say it is a lie, no wahala. Where I see Biafra and the Yoruba nation stand among other nations as God liveth one day. My brother, my sister, that one a big talk, and that one a true talk. In don't talk, I'm say as far as this one Nigeria is concerned, in don't talk before. Many people still they talk say you know go feel working or else if we say one working, we go just continue to the suffer. Now so this man don't talk onto this one. Okay, another person come they talk say, well, if it is true, I love that. Where was their brother or Shibajo whom they took because of him voted for these bad people for 2 times? Okay, out of tribalism and then out of everything wey be say they come dey look say na we look on, na we remain, emi look on, na we remain, na him make everything don come dabaru. See where we come put ourselves now. Okay, this one na Kemba Olewuke na him talk that one. Well, John come dey talk say not only the Yoruba people but people from all other tribes were massacred by the man's tribe. Okay, well, in a sincere nation, by now that man and everything about his family should have never seen the light of the day any longer. That one another true talk. Say if to say na civilized nation where we say everybody they do right thing, everybody they open. My brother, my sister, that man where we say he can't dabaru this country before now say him for no get rest of mind, but now know the person where we they talk. Okay, now so this one don't talk. Well, somebody come they talk say the before president say in government in was in two boss say he spoil many things. Well, in that case Oduduwa Republic should be established for the safety of Yoruba land. This one na Abubakar Sabo now in they talk this one. You see these people self don't the reason and say, well, if the Fulani said now them get the land, they make it everybody waka go in own separate place. Say now waiting go solve the whole issue. Now in be that. Okay, my brother, my sister, many people still they talk. This one Sunday, Amadi say, well, that's the gain of one Nigeria, and many are in the IDP camp in Benin Republic. Now wow, okay, many things is still they happen like this. So the crying is still going on. This one is coming from Joe King. So he said this crying itself is still they go on, and then nobody they talk anything. I beg you, Baba God, now your hand with them. Say now when they don't even know why the person will be say get out for this country, maybe at that time all of them will get sense. And then meanwhile somebody called the talk say I never know anything. Shebi we dey talk am that time. Now they say nothing concern una. Say na local, but wetin be say we dey think be say make it somebody wey be say go fit dey there go make it things better. Wey be say go fit pursue all these people come out, but una say no wahala. All right, my brother, my sister, many things na him they don't talk onto this matter, and then as it be so, na only good Lord na him go help us onto this one way be say we dey hear. Now the youth don't come outside. This youth way that they call the Yoruba Nation Youth Movement, they don't come outside say like this. So we no sure say we go still continue with this one way then they call it one Nigeria, because all these people they no even want make we stay with them. They no want to make we deal with them. Only thing way they want be say they want make everybody waka comot for this country for them, which no go fit happen. Now waiting the people come they talk with that. Baba God, now your hand with day. All right, my people, if this one now your first time we be say you dey join us onto this one, Baba, make you try, make you dey support us, make una dey share am, make it dey go viral, reach where it go reach. Until I come on our way next time, I say bye for now.